Is an update on my tricycle. Right, so we have got the Odyssey keyboard grips, which are fucking shit. We've got two of them because you need two grips. We have the Salt Plus pegs, which are okay. We got some $2.99 wheel pullers because basically my back wheel keeps moving. We have Odyssey twisted pedals, which are actually the best pedals I've ever ridden. Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain, which is quite loose if I'm honest. We have the Union Jack pivotal seat, which is kind of fading. I wouldn't say it's worth its money. And we got the Chromo bars, the Ritchie headset, Eastern stem, Odyssey director forks, and I don't know what the sprocket is. Wheels. Oh yeah, we got the Alien Nation wheels with some hub, and sprocket is a Cult. Can't remember which Cult. I'll come back to you on that one. We've got the Alien Nation mini hub on the front, and two premium refuse and resist tyres. That's a 2.25 and the back is a 2.1, 2, what is it? 2.1 or 2? I don't know. It's 2.1. So yeah, this is my tricycle, and we're gonna go do some